Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Booth gas station, also known as Booth 1 I should say, in Drax Hall. Now they are expanding this development, and as you can see across the road, they are now working on a commercial complex to be called Booth 2. And they have started construction of the commercial complex. Both developments are to be linked with an overhead bridge. So both developments will be connected. Now Drax Hall is without a doubt the fastest growing area in Jamaica, without a doubt. And so they have thousands of homes, and many more under construction. So they need more commercial buildings. And quite a few are going up. So this commercial center or commercial development will do very well. The original or the gas station side or Booth 1 is completely rented, leased out. Every available store there is leased out. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here with Booth 2. The construction of Booth 2, a major new commercial complex in Drax Hall, St. Anne, marks one of the most ambitious private developments on Jamaica's north coast in recent years. This project, spearheaded by the Booth Group of Companies, led by Managing Director Wayne Booth and Chief Executive Officer Alexa Booth, demonstrates the growing confidence of Jamaican entrepreneurs in the nation's expanding economy and the rising commercial significance of Drax Hall as a strategic location. Ground was officially broken on October 10, 2025 for the $1.5 billion complex, which is designed to become a 4-story state-of-the-art hub of commerce and entertainment. Encompassing approximately 68,000 square feet, Booth 2 will feature a full-service supermarket, a cinema, fine dining restaurants, and a range of retail and office spaces. The design includes units varying from about 700 to 1,500 square feet, ensuring space for both small local entrepreneurs and larger established brands. The complex will also have underground parking and a pedestrian bridge linking it to the existing Booth 1 property across the road, creating an integrated retail and business environment that strengthens the area's commercial identity. The project's location in Drax Hall is significant. Once known primarily for its residential developments, the area is rapidly evolving into a bustling commercial corridor that bridges Ocho Rios and Runaway Bay. In recent years, Drax Hall has attracted major investments, including supermarkets, hardware stores, and new franchises. The Booth 2 project complements this wave of development, positioning Drax Hall as a modern mixed-use hub where commerce, entertainment, and professional services converge. In conclusion, the construction of Booth 2 stands as a landmark development not only for Drax Hall, but for Jamaica's broader vision of balanced regional development. It reflects confidence in the Jamaican economy, vision from local leadership, and a commitment to transforming St. Anne into one of the island's premier commercial destinations. As construction continues towards its projected completion in mid-2027, Booth 2 is poised to become a defining symbol of modern Jamaican enterprise and the strength of local investment driving the nation forward. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below, and we'll give you guys regular updates on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.